boxing. Chess boxing is a hybrid board game invented by a Dutch performer Aep Rubing in 2003. It is now a well-loved sport in Germany, Great Britain, India and Russia. The sport requires both brain and brawn, either with your opponent in rounds of chess or of boxing. The match starts with a 4-minute round of chess followed by a 3-minute round of boxing before returning to the chessboard. It consists of 11 rounds, 6 rounds of chess and 5 rounds of boxing with 1-minute intervals between rounds. The players wear headphones for the chess round so that they don't hear advice from the audience, and gloves for the boxing round. The chess round is speed chess and players must make their moves quickly. To win the game, a player must checkmate his or her opponent in chess or knock out his or her opponent in boxing. Chess rolling. Chess rolling is a game designed for food lovers. You follow food, a 3-kilogram chunk of cheese, down a slope and win the food, if you are the first to cross the finish line along with the cheese. The contest is held every year in May on the Cooper's Hill in Gloucester, England. The cheese moves at a speed of around 48 kilometers, with the participants hurtling after it at approximately the same speed and getting quite hurt in the bargain. A traditional sport in England, the origins of cheese rolling are not clearly known. The event is becoming more and more popular and contestants come from across the world to compete or just to watch. Pool sticks. Pool sticks was invented by an English author, A. Moon, for his son and has been described in the author's book The House at Pooh Corner, hence the name. It's a very simple game which is played on a bridge over a river. One person is chosen as a starter. Each participant selects a stick, drops it in the river when the starter gives the signal and rushes to the other side of the bridge. The player whose stick appears first on the other side of the bridge is the winner. The Animal World Pooh Sticks Championships have been held on the River Thames in the United Kingdom since 1984. Ubi Lakpi. Ubi Lakpi is a traditional game played in the Indian state of Manipur. Ubi Lakpi literally means coconut snatching. Ubi means coconut and Lakpi means snatching. This is a game similar to rugby but is played with not a ball but an oil-soaked coconut. The sport is played on a rectangular field. A box, which essentially acts as the goal region, is marked at one end of the field. To score a goal, a player must carry the coconut and go through the box and out of the field. There are 7 players in each team, and even the players are well oiled to make it difficult for the opponents to catch hold of them. Each player tries to score goals by carrying the coconut, and other players try to tackle the coconut carrier and snatch the coconut away. The player that scores the most goals in the match receives an award. The sport is played barefoot, and players wear just a pair of shorts and no shirts. Bossa ball. Bossa Ball was invented by a Belgian, Philippe Eijkmans, in 2004. It is played on an inflatable court with a trampoline on both sides of the net. The objective is to ground the ball on the opponent's side of court. The players can use any part of their body, head, feet, hands, to get the ball over the net and into their opponent's section. There are 3 to 5 members in each team. The players can be a mix of both men and women. The referee of the game is a samba referee who is both the master of ceremony and DJ for the sport. The height of the net can be adjusted for different levels such as adults, beginners or children. Thank you everyone for watching this video.